Intelligent Document Processing, IDP. We're surrounded by documents. They support critical business functions, helping us manage procurement, payments, logistics, verification, compliance, claims, and hiring. Accuracy defines AI's true value. IDP brings that precision to digital workflow automation, accelerating processes, reducing errors, and advancing digital transformation. From PDFs and Word files to scanned images, spreadsheets, emails, even handwritten notes, documents are everywhere. When paired with Document Scanner, IDP seamlessly captures and processes this information with speed and accuracy. It's not just an OCR or agentic AI. IDP can help you reimagine the entire process. Line by line, IDP verifies each item, cost, and supplier record, catching discrepancies before they impact your bottom line. Digitize handwritten documents to streamline complex workflows in urban planning, healthcare, finance, legal, and public service applications. Contract terms and conditions, reviewed line by line. IDP flags any changes or risks before they reach your legal team. Customer KYC and document verification. No more manual validations, address or tax form validation. Smooth onboarding without the wait. From patient data to diagnosis codes and charges, IDP extracts and verifies every field, ensuring claims are accurate and compliant before submission. HR resume and document sorting. With zero touch, IDP ingests CVs, extracts candidate details, and routes profiles, streamlining hiring from application to offer. Captured data is instantly validated against your business rules, automatically detecting missing fields, duplicate entries, pricing mismatches, and other inconsistencies before they become problems. In moments, your documents are transformed into data, and that data drives action, fueling decisions at the speed of business. Gain efficiency and eliminate manual effort with custom workflows built for your business. Turnaround times shrink from weeks to minutes, while reducing errors and strengthening compliance, all on one secure, enterprise-ready platform with endless possibilities. Book a demo now.